All right, so today we're gonna make blue cheese burgers. We got ourselves some blue cheese. I'm gonna use this container to make the burgers, but the blue cheese is here. For this burger, we're just gonna go with black pepper because the blue cheese contains a lot of salt. We got a couple of plain buns. We're gonna add our bacon and our lettuce mix. We'll also be adding mayonnaise. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of this ground sirloin and we're just gonna line the bottom of this little container here. And this is my blue cheese container. You wanna take a little blue cheese, you know, dump a couple of pieces in there. Something like that. Then you're just gonna take some more of your ground sirloin, put it on top. Okay, and then this is how you're gonna get that. This is what it will look like. All right, so I did this one a little different because I noticed on the first one, the walls, you don't want the cheese to stick outside of the walls. You want the cheese to be inside. These are half-pound burgers. I know they look really large. It's because they're filled with blue cheese in the center. And we're gonna cook these in water so that they steam and they retain some of, most of their shape. Just like our last sirloin burger, we're gonna do something a little different. Once this is cooked and all the water's absorbed, we're gonna fry these and let them get a little charred on each side. Okay, I'll be adding onions because my son says he likes the sauteed red onions, so we're gonna add those. All right, so as you can see, we got it to a boil. We want to turn it down and just let it simmer a little bit because we don't want them to boil apart. Okay, so in the second pan, we're going to start our buns. If you are able to smell this here, look at that cheese come out. All right, so we got our mayonnaise. This should be enough for all four. We're still going to go with ketchup. We're still gonna go with mustard, a little mustard. All right, we're gonna air fry our bacon. All right, let's take a peek at the burgers. Yeah, those are looking pretty good. Now we're just gonna let the water dry out. All right, we're gonna add our lettuce. We're gonna add some pickles. All right, we're gonna add some tomatoes. All right, guys, so this is what they're looking like. We're about almost time to take these out. We're just gonna let some more of that fluid clear up and then we're gonna take them out. All right, so we got our burgers and we're just gonna put the onions on the top, of course. All right, so I know you see it, it's a big burger, but you remember the inside is filled with cheese. Give it a try. I did something a little different today. These are my sloppy joes, I guess. Sloppy sirloin steak burgers with blue cheese. I forgot to show you I added the bacon. Yeah. So there you go. With this burger, you don't need a lot of fries. Give it a try. You're gonna like this. You can fit it in your mouth. I do have a warning for this burger. There's a lot of juice coming out of it, so if you're gonna eat this, have a towel available. Have something that you can wipe your face and hands off on.